Endocrine glands in humans. Main endocrine glands in the human body include 1. Adrenal, 2. Pancreas, 3. Pituitary, 4. Thyroid, 5. Thymus, found mainly in the young, 6. Parathyroid, 7. Testes, for males, 8. Ovaries, for females. This chapter primarily discusses the thyroid, pancreas, adrenal, and pituitary glands in detail. Thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is a bilobed or egg-shaped structure attached to trachea below larynx. It is located at the front of the neck, beneath the voice box. A structure called the isthmus connects the two lobes. It secretes two main hormones, thyroxine and calcitonin. Thyroxine hormone production is regulated by both the pituitary gland and the hypothalamus. Thyroid-related disorders. A. Under secretion of thyroxine hormone, hypothyroidism. Insufficient secretion of thyroxine may lead to three conditions: cretinism, myxoderma, goiter. Cretinism, a result of thyroid dysfunction in infants. This condition leads to stunted physical and cognitive growth. Symptoms include a small stature, deformed teeth, short limbs, rough and dry skin, delayed sexual maturation, reduced immunity, a protruding abdomen, and an overall lack of energy. Goiter, it is a condition of enlargement of thyroid gland. This gland is located at the front of neck and just below the Adam's apple. This is more common in regions like Garhwal, Shivaliks, the Himalayas, and the northeastern areas. Consuming iodized salt is an effective preventive measure against iodine deficiency, leading the government to mandate iodized salt production for all manufacturers. B. Oversecretion of thyroxine hormone, hyperthyroidism. Hyperthyroidism, oversecretion of thyroxine results in an overly active thyroid. This can lead to heightened metabolism, faster heart and breathing rates, and an increase in body temperature. It also results in increased agitation and restlessness. This can arise due to a specific blood protein that prompts the thyroid to produce more thyroxine. When this happens, it is referred to as exophthalmic goiter or Graves' disease. It is controlled by surgical removal of a part of the gland. Adrenal glands. The adrenal gland is a pair of flat, yellowish and pyramid-shaped glands located above the upper end of the kidney. The gland is composed of adrenal medulla, a centrally located tissue, and outside lies another tissue called adrenal cortex. Effects of the hormones adrenaline and noradrenaline on the body and the purpose of these responses. Hormone. Effects on the body. Purpose of the response. Adrenaline increases heart rate, prepares the body for rapid action by increasing blood flow, raises blood pressure, enhances the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to vital organs and muscles, expands the airways, facilitates better oxygen intake for increased energy needs, enlarges pupils, allows more light in and broadens the field of vision, diverts blood flow to muscles and away from digestive organs, prepares muscles for fight or flight response, enhances the ability to convert glycogen to glucose, increases available energy for immediate use, suppresses non-essential functions, example, digestion, redirects energy towards immediate survival needs. Noradrenaline constricts small blood vessels, vasoconstriction, raises blood pressure to improve blood flow to vital areas, increases heart rate and force of contraction, increase cardiac output to deliver more oxygen and nutrients, reduces gastrointestinal mobility and secretion, minimizes energy directed towards digestion during stress, enhances alertness and arousal, prepares the individual for potential challenges or threats. Pancreas It is located in upper abdomen behind the stomach. It functions as both an exocrine and endocrine gland. The exocrine cells produce pancreatic juice that drains into the small intestine for digestion of food. The pancreatic juice is rich in digestive enzymes such as amylase, lipase, and proteases. The endocrine function is carried out by specific cell clusters known as the islets of Langerhans distributed throughout the gland. Pancreatic disorders. By undersecretion of insulin. Diabetes mellitus, hyperglycemia caused by insufficient insulin production. It prevents the conversion of excess glucose to glycogen, resulting in increased blood sugar levels and glucose presence in urine. By oversecretion of insulin. Hypoglycemia. When too much insulin is produced, it results in reduced blood sugar levels. A severe drop can lead to coma. Eating something sweet like a biscuit or candy can help in increase blood sugar levels. Pituitary gland. The pituitary gland, weighing around 1.5 g, is a tiny pea-sized gland attached at the brain's base. It serves as a link between the nervous and endocrine systems. Due to its influence over nearly all other endocrine glands, it's often called the master gland. This gland has three distinct sections: the anterior lobe, intermediate lobe, and posterior lobes. The posterior part is essentially an extension of the hypothalamus. Pituitary gland disorders. Undersecretion. 1. Dwarfism. A lack of growth hormone during childhood results in limited bone and organ growth, causing short stature, also known as pituitary dwarfism. 2. Diabetes insipidus. Reduced ADH secretion causes frequent urination and excessive thirst without glucose loss in urine. Oversecretion. 1. Gigantism. Excessive growth hormone during childhood causes gigantism, where individuals have unusually long bones and heightened stature. 2. Acromegaly. An overproduction of growth hormone postadolescence results in extended bones, particularly in the lower jaw and limbs, without the individual becoming a giant. Pituitary gland. Anterior lobe. Posterior lobe. Antidiuretic hormone, ADH, or vasopressin. Oxytocin. Somatotropin hormone, STH. Thyroid stimulating hormone, TSH. Adrenocorticotropic hormone, ACTH. Follicle stimulating hormone, FSH. Luteinizing hormone, LH. Prolactin hormone, PRL.